Okay, I just have to film this because this is just amazing. Here's my e-bike project, and to me it looks like it works. God damn it! Should we give a little bit of gas? This is amazing. This is just amazing. Look at this. I'm gonna give gas here, and look at this. Check the engine. It makes hell of a noise because the bearings of the fucking wheel, they are gone. They were already broken or didn't work. But when I put decent back wheel, I get rid of the fucking rattle and noise. But yeah, I have to do this again. This is amazing. Holy crap. Okay, I'm gonna go on with my project. Okay, bye bye.